So today let's talk about how to make the best use of container gardening. Making a single pot, 2-in-1 pot. That is the landlord and the tenant. I've done a video about this before if you've been following my page. And for the new followers, here we go again. 2-in-1 pot is when a single potted plant has the fruit plant, which is the landlord, and the herbs or vegetable under it, which is the tenant. This is going to be permanent and be there for a very long time, and this is temporary because this is going to stay for a few months and you harvest it. 2-in-1 pots. You can also do this to another pot plant. You can raise your seedlings under it in form of nursery. So you can make the base of your potted fruit plants a nursery. At the end of the day, you harvest the nursery and go and plant them. For example, an orange fruit tree pot for pepper or kale nursery. A pomegranate fruit pot for rosemary cuttings or nursery. A mango fruit pot with water leaf. Orange pots, dandelion, and other fruit plant pots with different herbs, and so on and so forth. Let's talk about 8 conditions to ensure a successful 2-in-1 pot. Number 1, use a big size pot that has enough space to contain the fruit plant and the herbs under it. Number 2, the tenant or the herbs should be dwarf and should have a short lifespan. Number 3, the soil should have enough nutrients to support the growth of the landlord and the tenant plants. Number 4, ensure that every time you don't have a conflicting growth of the tenant and the landlord. Ensure that your fruit plant is tall and up so that there's a good space under it for the herbs and the tenant plant to express themselves and grow well. Number 5, position your plant in full sun, at least where the two of them can get enough sun. If not, most especially the herbs, which is the tenant, may not do well. Number 6, curb pests and disease so that pests and disease from one plant does not transfer to the other. Number 7, no cluster planting. In as much as you are doing the tenant and the landlord plant, ensure you have adequate space. Maybe 2 or 3 plants as herbs in a big size pot. Number 8, is this point even necessary? Maybe if you have enough space, you don't need to do 2-in-1 plots. Just plant your herbs separate, plant your fruit plant separate. For those that are managing space, 2-in-1 pot is a goal for you. You must learn how to grow what you eat. My name is Mr. Gray, and don't thank me, I'm just doing my job.